soaking wet. In a silk suit, trying not to sweat. Hit somersaults without the net. But this be the year that we won't forget. 1999. I'm a remedy, anything goes. We would wanna be home as you know. Consequences are given for living the fences. Too high to jump in jail. Too low to dig, I might just touch hell. Get a life, now they on sale. Then I might catch you a spell. Look at what came in the mail.
Gabon deizuela guztioi eta gaur hiztegi kontuekin gatozkizue zer ote da Nakba. Hondamendia du esan nahi eta azken 75 urte hauetan Palestinarrek jasan dutenari deritzo.